Hello cousins, let me show you how I made this super easy garlic paste using 4 ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. All I used was a cup and a half of pre-peeled garlic that I purchased at the supermarket. If you like peeling garlic yourself, you can go right ahead and do that instead. I also used 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, the juice of half of a lemon, and half of a tablespoon of salt. I added all of my ingredients into my blender. This blender has some pretty cool settings, and all I did was hit blend for about 35 seconds and I got the perfect paste consistency. But if you have a standard blender, just blend until you reach the consistency that you're comfortable with. It'll take probably about a minute. I poured my garlic paste into an airtight mason jar, and look at this perfect consistency. This is going to go perfect with everything that requires garlic. This is going to live in my fridge for about 2 weeks, and it is not going to turn green because the olive oil and the lemon juice is going to allow it to retain its color. Did you like this recipe? Let me know what you're going to be making with this recipe in the comments below. Thank you for watching.